set of insulated tools for electricians. In a sturdy nylon case with Velcro stripe for WERA to go system, you will find all the tools nicely organized. Mounting blades is easy thanks to the WERA's original system. You get 2 insulated Kraftform handles with 14 interchangeable blades. Phillips, slotted, Pozidriv and Torx. The slim profile allows for better reach in tight spaces. In the set you also get one pair of KNIPEX VDE 1396-200 electrical installation pliers that replace up to 6 individual tools for electrical installation: cutting, stripping, gripping, bending, deburring and crimping, all in one tool. All the included tools are VDE certified to protect from voltages up to 1 kV AC. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.